This is a 5-piece tweezer and shears set by Pure GL. Comes with this little leatherette case. It's got microfiber lining. Pretty decent job of stitching. Doesn't look like it's going to fall apart on you. Well enough made. So you do get curved shears. So again, all stainless steel, well finished and polished. They line up good. The rivet's nice and tight. Then you also get these powder coated stainless steel tweezers. So these are all different shape. There's a blunt taper, there's an angled, there's like a pointy angled, and then there's a flat. So these all actually have jaws that meet up when you close them. So just the tips touch. So you get a little bit of surface area, which works really good for pulling out hair and such. It grabs on much better than traditional tweezers. They don't actually have jaws, but they meet up really flush. There's a little bit of texture from the sanding and machining on them so that you can grab onto stuff. Work just fine. I think these ones are probably the most useful because it's easy to get into places to pull out hairs and such. Has a lot of surface area. This one has a little less surface area and it's really precise. This is more like your standard tweezer, though it's not sharp, so you do get the sharp if you want to use this one. Let's pull out splinters and such. These pastel colors makes it easy to identify which one's which. Finding good quality, you're really gonna have trouble trying to bend these, so they hold their shape just fine.